Hi guys, welcome to back. And phone link mic is not working, and which is using for your phone and Windows. So I give you solutions to step by step. So kindly follow this method. So first method, please check microphone permissions from phone link. Okay. So click to start and go to setting. Then click to privacy and security. Then click to microphone. So if this is off, so guys, on. Okay, then find out and on photos, videos, get help not need, on recent, no, then close it. Next guys, repair and reset the phone link app. So click to start, go to setting, app, install app. Wait few seconds, it's still showing. Slow down. Custom components. This is phone link. Then click to three dot. Then advanced. Scroll down. Reset, repair and terminate. Okay, then close. Next, update your audio driver. So right click to Windows icon, go to device manager, find out sound, extract, select, right click, update driver and search automatically, and then close. Once speaker, right click, update automatically, close. Then again select the microphone, then update and automatically, and then close it. Next, update the Windows. Check Windows update, click to start, same it is, go to setting, then last of Windows update. If it is showing, click on check for update and it is showing the Windows update, so you have to first download and then install it. Minimize. Next method, check your microphone. So click to start and type control panel, view by select the category. Okay, then hardware and sound recording for the mic, your mic, how many mics it is showing here. So select your default. Okay, if you are connected headphone Bluetooth, and so might be 2 to 3 mic is showing here, so select which is you required. Okay, and then okay, and this is for, you can check, test for purpose. Okay, then click apply. Okay, and then close. Then guys, complete this method and then check.